Hi everyone. So today we are supposed to do gate 2016, general aptitude paper, right? So there will be again 10 questions. Okay. So first of all, let me welcome you all in Gate classes in this general aptitude seasons. Okay. So we have been doing constantly, for general aptitude sessions as well as mathematics and other subject, right? So this is going to be the 2016 general aptitude. Okay, so gate 2016 was conducted by ISC Bangalore, that everybody knows, right? Okay, so let's begin here. So I hope my voice and everything is fine, right? So you guys can also comment and try to solve question the moment question will be on your screen, right? Okay, so this is brief about me. Okay, I'm Dheeraj, and I have been teaching for gate for more than 7+ years, right? And I have been teaching engineering mathematics and general aptitude for all the branch of engineering. And I teach some of the core subjects for electronics and communication engineering, right? Such as analog circuit and electronic devices, communication system, and electromagnetic. Okay. So this is brief about me, and let's move ahead and take first question. Are you ready all? Okay. So this is going to be the session, okay, and the session is going to be around general aptitude plus English. Already you have learned, uh, uh, 4 to 5 year of general aptitude. Now I'm gonna talk about gate 2016. Okay, this gate was organized by ISC Bangalore again. In fact, gate 2024 will also be organized by ISC Bangalore, right? So this is going to be the very first question on your screen, and without any fear, we have to try this question. Yes, and this question is from English, okay, and for 1 mark. Perfect. So can you give a try to solve this question within 1 or 3 seconds, right? Yes. So yeah, you just try this question first, then I will answer the question. Let me read the question, okay? The moment you see the question, you should read first, right? The chairman requested the aggrieved shareholder, okay? Despite you don't know the meaning of these sentences, okay? But at least you can fill this blank. The chairman requested the aggrieved shareholder to bear with him, to bore with him, to bear with, and the bear, right? So I think many of you might be using these kind of words, okay, bear with me, right? So anyone can solve, right? So this is not going to be correct answer because this is going to be the second form of the verb, right? And there will be the V1, right? V1 plus some preposition will be there with, okay? So this is also not going to be the correct answer. Only the correct choice for this question is C. Okay. So I believe many of you might have done this question. Okay. So you will get 1 mark for this question, right? Okay. So this blank deserve option C. Okay. So let's move to the next question. And this question was from English. Okay. Yeah. Question number two. The question number two is what? Identify the correct spelling out of the given options. Okay, so see, ISC Bangalore has tried to test your spelling also in English, right? So manageable, okay, manageable and manageable, right? So this is straight away knocked off, okay, and this will also be knocked off, okay, because this you see here, okay, and this is also going to be knocked off, and only I think B is going to be the right choice. Yeah. So yeah, so you see here, just write manage. Okay, what is the meaning of spelling of manage here? Manage, and just add able, right? So manageable. So this is wrong. Okay, so option A cannot be the correct answer, right? So these two questions we have done very quickly. Okay, so can we move to the next question? And you have to try these kind of a question. Okay, yes, Syam. So everybody has to try. So Syam, you are correct. Okay. So option, oh, you are saying A. A option for what? Okay. So option B is the right choice. Please check. Okay. the spelling of this. Okay, this is not going to be the correct choice. Okay, Shyam? Yeah. So can we move to the next question? Yeah. Now the next question is going to be
Sir,
again very,
one moment. Can you go question number one?
yes,
So what
question
is the
number one.
correct answer? It's beer with or bear with. A should be the correct answer.
Sir, but
Beer means it's
yeah,
animal. B-E-A-R means animal. I think it's bear with.
uh,
Check bear.
yeah, but according to the, yeah, let me check once. Uh, B-A-R-E, bear and boar, okay, and bear with and bear, right? So according
Can
to you, option A, you are okay. Okay, let
yeah,
me check
let's
here. Yeah, so let me check the question first. 1 minute. Yeah. So I think beer is the right answer. Beer with is the right. Okay, this beer, bear with is the right because bear with means be patient. Okay, with me. Okay, yeah, you should not go for bare, right? Bar is not the right. Okay, so you are confused with the spelling, right? So please correct that.
yeah, yeah, no problem. Yeah, that's good thing. Yeah, good
So
point.
yeah. So according to the in fact official key of gate, you will find C option is correct. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
So
Thank you, sir.
can we go ahead? Yeah, sure. So you see here, guys, option B will be correct for this question, right? So in between, you can also ask question by okay, making yourself unmute, right? Yes, Yam. So let me move to the next question. This question is from number system, and you see they have given some series here, right? So some number series is given, and you have to pick one odd out in the following, right? So odd one out is the following, right? So you have to identify this number first. Yes, I think Syam has already given the answer. Okay, the moment he sees the question. Okay, right. So you see here, guys. Naturally, if you see this, the first number that is 1 3. This is 2 3, and this is going to be 4 3 and 5 3, right? So these are the prime number, but one guy is present here. You see, one number is present here that is 33. Okay, 33 is not going to be the prime number, right? So they have given the series of number which are prime number, but this 33 is standing out, odd one out, you can say, right? So naturally, the choice B should be the correct answer for this question, right? So you see here, 1 mark question is yeah, yeah, exactly, Syam. Yeah, your concept is correct. Yes. So, see, 13 is a prime number. You know the definition of prime number, right? So, any prime number has the number. I mean, if you talk about the factors, right? The number and one, there will be two factor only. But naturally, if you see 33, so it has 3 into 11 into 1, you can see, right? So, this is not going to be the prime number. Okay, so choice B is the correct answer. Yes. Shall we move ahead and take another question? Okay, so question number 4 is on your screen, and this time you have to solve this question. Okay, and this question is from again, you know, just read the question first. R2D2 is a robot. Okay, they have said that R2D2 is a robot, and R2D2 can repair aeroplane. Okay, means that robot can repair aeroplanes. Okay, no other robot can repair aeroplanes. Okay, no other robot can. So there is a R2D2 is a robot, right? Only one robot is there, and he can only repair aeroplane, right? So can you tell me the right answer? Which option is going to be correct for this question? Yes. Okay, so there are two facts you have to understand. Okay, R2D2 is a robot who can repair aeroplane. Okay, and no other robot can do this work. Remember this. Okay, no other work. Okay, no other robot can repair this work. Okay, or can do this work, right? So which of the following can be logically inferred? Already I have solved this kind of a question, guys, based on inferences. So whenever you see the passage given, you should read the option first, right? Okay. So which of the following can be logically inferred from the above statement, right? So let me see here. So R2D2 is a robot which can only repair aeroplanes. R2D2 is a robot which can repair aeroplane. Okay, only robot which can repair aeroplane. R2D2 is a robot which can repair only aeroplanes, right? So all the options seems this only is shifting here and there, right? Only R2D2 is a robot. Okay, so you have to find which option is going to be correct for this. Yeah. So I believe Syam is trying to answer. Syam saying A option, right? Okay. So yeah. Yes. Okay. So please try everybody to solve this question. That is question number 4. And option B is the right choice for this question, right? Okay. So only R2D2 is a robot. They have said here. So read again the statements, right? These statements. R2D2 is a robot which can only repair. So see, this word is shifting here and there, right? Which can only repair the aeroplanes. R2D2 is the only robot. You read, okay? You read here. So no other robot can do this work, okay? No other robot can do this work. And here what they are saying, R2D2 is the robot which can only repair aeroplane, okay? R2D2 is only the robot. This is the right choice, okay, which can repair the aeroplanes. No other robot can do the same work, right? So choice B is going to be the correct answer, right? Okay, so you have to think about this only word, right? R2D2 is a robot which can repair only aeroplanes. Okay, so this is also not going to be correct here, right? R2D2, okay, this only is not present in anywhere. You see here only this word, right? Okay, this only is not present anywhere. You see with this aeroplane, there is no only word, right? So yes, guys, yes, good. Yeah, B is the right choice. So just play with this only. Only is here, which is confusing, and this is straight away wrong. Okay, so you can knock off, and B is the right choice. Okay, so always observe, read the statement very carefully, because in the exam pressure, we might make mistake of this kind. Okay, so can we move ahead? And this was for 1 mark. Okay, so yeah, it should not take that much time. Only you need to put yeah, Saurabh, yeah, perfect. So everybody is giving correct answer. Okay, so yeah, so you have to tally your answer with me the moment you see the screen. Okay, yeah. So now this question number 5 is on your screen. Okay, so try this question, guys, everyone. Okay, because now only we have around 3 days. Yes, 3 days to go, okay, for civil engineering and aerospace engineering, right? So if 9 by minus 6 equal to 3, then by square minus 4 by 3 is what? The value of by square minus 4 by 3 we have to find. Okay, so this is given is a modulus function, you see, and you should know the property of modulus function. Modulus function is going to be x, okay, if x is greater than 0, and it will be minus x if x is, so you should know these things, right? The concept you should know. Okay, so let me put here, let me write down this. Okay, and you all try this. Which option is going to be correct? Option is 0 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 and undefined. So let me write here mod 9 by minus 6 equal to 3. Okay, then you have to find this value. Okay, so this if you remove this mod, so you can write this as 9 by minus 6 equal to plus minus 3. Okay, so you can write like this. Okay, and now you will be having two equations now. You see, one is 9 by minus 6 equal to 3, and one is 9 by minus 6 equal to minus 3. Now you can find out the y value, right? So you will get the y value here, and then plug here in this. Okay, okay. So option C, short video with lab, is saying option C is correct. Yes, Syam Prabhat. Yeah, perfect, guys. C is the right choice. Okay, but let me complete. Okay, So 9 by okay, 9 by is going to be 9 here. So this will give you by equal to 1. And from here you see, okay, this is going to be giving you 9 by equal to 3, okay, because minus 3 plus 6 is 3, right? So by is going to be giving you 1, 1 by 3, because 3 by 9 is 1 by 3, right? Now you can plug these two values, okay, in this, okay, so let me plug here. So just I'm going to put here one rectangle and put plugging, or else we can go to next page as well, but it's okay. So you see guys, here, by square minus 4 by 3 equal to what, right? So you just plug here, so 1 minus 4 by 3, which is going to be giving us 1 by 3, right? And now you can plug 1 by 3 here, so it is going to be 1 by 9 minus 4 by 9, right? So this will also give you minus 3 by 9, which is 1 by 3, right? So yeah, so for both the values of by, we are getting C as the right answer. Yeah. Yes, guys. Yes, Saurabh Kumar and everybody has given correct answer. So this question does not take more than 20 seconds. Okay. But yeah, many people get confused this modulus function. So I think in mathematics also, you guys cover mod of x. Okay. Mod of x. How to deal with mod of x. Okay. And you should know the plot as well, right? Okay. Now this question, question number 6, and this is for 2 mark, okay? And this question seems big, but the answer is very small, right? So this question is from your data interpretation, okay? DI, okay? You call it DI in short, right? So the following graph represents the installed capacity for the cement production in tons and the actual production in tons, right? So you have to understand this actual production is there of 9 cement plant of the cement company. Company utilization of the plant is defined as the ratio of actual plant of the cement is to installed company. A plant with the installed company of at least 200 tons is called the large plant. See, this you have to be careful, right? Here they have mentioned here is that a plant with installed capacity of at least 200 tons, okay, is called the large plant, okay, and a plant with lesser capacity is called the smaller plant, right? So they have asked the question here, guys. Wait, I'm going to show you the graph, okay, the bar graph. The difference between total production of the large plant and the smaller plant, right? So you have to find the difference between total production. And what is total production? Total production is the actual production, right? Okay, now let me show you the bar graph, okay. See, bar graph, is given, the y-axis has capacity per production in tons and the other plant number, okay. So they have, see, and the green color one is the installed capacity, and this brown color you see is the actual production, right? Actual production, okay. So you see, guys, you have to notice here is that the installed capacity, if it is more than 200, that is going to be the larger, okay. You see here large plant, or you can say, yeah, we call it large plant, okay. So large plant will be what? Large plant needs at least 200 installed capacity, right? Okay, that you have to understand here. So this is going to be large plant here, this will not be, okay. And you see here, this is going to be large plant, this is going to be large plant, and again you can say this is going to be large plant, this. So 1489 is going to be the large plant, okay. And you have to see what, you have to see the actual production, right? Actual production is the total production for each plant, okay, guys. So you see here, for first large plant, the actual production is given as 160 here, and the actual production is given as 190, okay. Installed capacity is 200, okay. That is just for the sake of deciding which one is large plant, okay, and remaining are the smaller plants, right? So here 190, here you see 230, right? So you just add them up, okay, just add them up, okay. And just you have to add also this, let me choose different colors, okay, for them. So this is going to be smaller one, right? The small plants, so just add them up, okay. So just these numbers you should add, and then what you have to do, subtract them, Okay, so take time and add them. Okay, I think you should know how to add quickly. Yes. Okay, so installed capacity, if it is greater than 200 tons, that is going to be large plant. Okay, so let me write here also. So if IC or I dot C, you can say installed capacity is greater than 200 tons, right? Okay, so you can say here they are going to be the large plant. Okay, right? And the installed capacity, if it is less than 200, right? 200 tons. Okay, then it is going to be what? The smaller plants. Okay, yes. So and for you see here for this bar chart, you see we have got number 1, 4 and 8 and 9. These are the okay. So let me add here now 160 plus 160, and you see 190 and 230, okay, and 190, right? So let me add all of them for larger plants. So I'm just adding here, writing 160 plus 190 plus 230 and plus 190, right? So if you add them, so what you will get here is that you will get 770 tons, right? So I think many of you might have got the answer as well. Yes, yes, Syam, you're correct. 120 is going to be correct answer. Yes, perfect, perfect. So everyone has to try this question. This question seems very good. Okay, and it doesn't need your extra brain. Okay, to solve. Yes. Now add 150, 150. Naturally, in the mind only you can add 150 plus 160 means 100 plus 100, 200, and 100 you will get again. So it will be 310, right? 310, and this is going to be giving you 410 and 510 plus 25 530, and this is going to be 600. So how much you're getting, guys? I believe 650 you're getting, right? 650. So 150 plus 160 plus 120 plus 100 plus 120 again. So it is going to be giving us 615 tons, right? So natural choice is what you have to take the difference of them, right? Just take the difference and you will get 120 is the right answer, okay? In tons, right? Okay. So how many of you got the answer correct? Saurabh, okay, after completing, can you repeat the same question again in very short? Yes. Yes, सौरभ, यस श्योर. तो देखो इस क्वेश्चन में आपको क्या है कि एक इंस्टॉल्ड कैपेसिटी का प्लान दिया हुआ है, ठीक है. देयर आर नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स यू सी हियर, यहाँ पर ये नंबर ऑफ प्लांट्स हैं, ओके, एंड कैपेसिटी पर प्रोडक्शन, ओके. So you read here the question, the following graph represent the installed capacity of cement production in tons and the actual production in tons of the 9 cement plants of the cement company. So there are 9 cement plants. आपके पास 9 cement plants हैं और यहाँ पर capacity utilization of the plant defined है. कैसे defined है? Ratio of actual production of the cement to installed capacity. Okay, a plant with installed capacity at least 200 tons is called the larger plant. Okay, so you see here in the now graph, so this is plant number 1. Installed capacity is given as a green color. You see Saurabh, okay, आपको यहाँ कलर में भी ध्यान देना है. Okay, so green color denotes the installed capacity and the actual production means total production, okay, of the plant. So from this plant we are getting 160 ton, right? So you see here 220 is the larger plant here, 200 is the larger plant, or here 250 is also the larger plant at 200, right? So you see, read here, they have also a plant with installed capacity at least 200 tons is the larger plant, okay? And a plant with lesser capacity, जिसकी capacity less है, that is going to be what? That is going to be smaller plant, right? So the question is, you have to find the difference between total production of the large plant and the small plant. So what they are saying, total production, you have to add all of the production, right? ठीक है. So plant 1 से क्या है, कितना actual production है? Plant 1 से 160 is the actual production, right? You see 160. This is This color, brown color bar you have to check. Okay, now don't check these green color one. Okay, now you see here guys, this is going to be the fourth plant which will give you the larger production. So 190, right? यहाँ से 190 आ गया, and then 230, and then 190, right? So you guys can now add quickly in the mind itself how 100 plus 100, you can say this is 260 plus 90, right? So 90 plus 60 will give you 150, right? So it will be 350. Okay, perfect. So yes, so wherever you don't understand, you guys can comment, right? English is just a mode of giving explanation, right? Okay, chalo. So 120 is the right answer for this question. ठीक है? This question was asked as a numerical answer type. This is NAT. Right? Earlier there was no MSQ. अब MSQ भी आते हैं. Okay, so please be careful. Okay, ठीक है. So for this question, 120 is the right answer. So can we move to the next question? Question number 7 is on your screen. So question number 7 says here, a poll of students appearing for masters in engineering indicated that 60% of the students believe that, okay, you see here, again this is a passage, okay, this is kind of a passage given, and they have given options here. Again you see, many times I have been emphasizing, so this word once it is comes now, so the moment you see these options, okay, you can remove them. Okay, so what you do here guys, yes, so yeah, so you can read now question. A poll of students appearing for the master in engineering ME, okay, indicated that 60% of the students believe that mechanical engineering is a profession unsuitable for women. Okay, so see, according to this passage it is true, okay, that mechanical engineering profession is unsuitable for women, right? Okay, remember, don't logically think in your mind, okay, don't think, okay, that mechanical engineering is bad, right? Just read this passage according to the author. Okay, a research study on women, okay, with master or higher degree in mechanical engineering found that 99% of such women were successful in their profession. Okay, so this is the passage. Now let's jump into the question, right? What they are asking. Yeah, which of the following can be logically inferred from the above paragraph? So first of all, be free. Whatever thought is coming in your mind, just remove them. ठीक है? तो option A, B, C में आ जाओ, and you will find that some of the option which will be mapping to your mind also, right? Whatever you are thinking. See, because we think always that yeah, in mechanical engineering women are not suitable, right? So you see here, many students have misconception regarding various engineering disciplines. Do you think option A is correct? No, never. Okay, never ever. Okay, because we are not talking about other discipline. Why? What is this? Okay, irrelevant option. Okay, chalo next. Men with advanced degree. Again, you see, guys, men with advanced degree in mechanical engineering believe that women are well suited to be the mechanical engineering. Okay, do you think B option is going to be correct for this question? Yes, guys, everybody. Okay, now let's move to the next question, next option. Okay, and we have to keep eliminating. Okay, yes, so you guys also can tell me which option is going to be correct. Yes, yes, Sam, you're correct, right? The number of women pursuing higher degree in mechanical engineering. Oh my god, this is again irrelevant. Okay, so which one is going to be correct? Choice C is going to be correct for this question, right? So please, guys, I believe you have got the answer, right? So choice C, mechanical engineering is a profession well suited for women with a master or higher degree in mechanical engineering, right? Okay. So choice C is going to be correct. Yes, yes, Saurabh. So can we move? This kind of question we have done in all the sessions, right? So in gate 2023 also you will finding English questions. So attempt confidently, blindly also. Needless to worry about, okay, negative marking. You will be getting correct, okay? So yeah, next question. Again, the question is from the basic. You see here this keyword inference or inferred is given. Okay. See, Soria committee had proposed, one of the committees there had proposed that the establishment of Soria Institute of Technology. You just SIT. Okay. Okay, don't think irrelevant here, right, guys? Just read the author's passage, okay, and attempt, because you have to get marks. Okay, there is no other choice. So Soria committee has proposed that the establishment of the Soria Institute of Technology (SIT) in line with the IITs, Indian Institute of Technology. Yes, yes, everybody knows that IITs are great, but in this question you have to understand, right? Okay, to cater the, what is the meaning of catering? Okay, to cater to technologies. Okay, so why they want to start SIT? Why they want to establish SIT? Uh, just like in India, BITS Pilani is there, right? So BITS Indian Institute of Technology to cater to the technological and industrial need of a developing country, right? Okay. Which of the following can be logically inferred from the above sentence, right? Based on the proposal, okay, based on the proposal, in the initial year, SIT student will get degree from IIT. Okay, SIT will have a distinct, okay. So guys, just read here complete sentence. Okay, just I'm putting here. Which of the following can be logically inferred from the above sentence based on the proposal? In the initial year, SIT student will get degree from IIT. Do you think first option is like this? First statement is correct? No. Okay, this is not correct. Okay, yeah. SIT will have distinct national objective. Again, this is you know what, SIT will have distinct national objective. I think this can be correct, because see, IIT, they want to establish SIT in the line of IIT, right? So definitely they will get some national importance. Okay, and they have distinct national objective. Okay, to improvise. SIT like institution can only be established in the consultation with IIT. No, third is wrong. Okay, so can you check which option is going to be correct? Third, fourth. So third is present here, means option A will not be correct. In B, first is present, it is not going to be correct. D is also not going to be correct. Only the choice C is going to be correct, because SIT will have distinct national objective. Yeah, that's why they are going for establishment. And SIT will serve technological needs of the developing country. Okay. So you see, guys, whatever proposals we have, okay. Yes, 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 Syam. A, how can you say A is correct? Because we have already knocked off, right? So SIT like institution can only be established in consultation. Yeah? Suppose you have to establish anything, and suppose IIT is not giving you a chance, so will you not establish? You will establish if you have distinct national objectives, right? If you want to build your nation, right? And SIT will serve what technological needs of the developing country, such as India, is a developing country, right? But these things are irrelevant. You have to answer this question according to the passage, right? Okay. So everybody understood this question, okay? So Soria committee, if you do not understand, still you can try. But yeah, needless to worry about these meaning of a words. If you don't know the meaning of the words, forget about that, okay? Yes, can we move here? Okay, so let me try this question. Question number 9 is on your screen, right? Question number 9 is on your screen, and this question is one of the brilliant question, right? And I will give you the solution. Okay, yeah, try this question first, guys. Everybody, सबको try करना है. Everyone has to try this question. Perfect. So what is given here is that Shakule O'Neal. So don't worry about this name, guys. Okay, this name is quite difficult name, right? Okay, it's 60% career free throw shooter. Okay, you can see he is a shooter. Okay, throw shooter, meaning that he successfully makes 60 free throws out of 100 attempts on the average, right? Okay, what is the probability that he will successfully make exactly 6 free throws in 10 attempts? Okay, so you can understand here there are 10 attempts: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there are 10 attempts, right? And he's only exactly he's getting free throws, six free throws, right? So you can say here he's getting, just I'm putting here, you can say a a I mean just free throws, right? Exactly 6 times. So one, two, three, four, five, six, and rest of them is B, you can say, right? Okay, he's not getting, okay, he's not getting a right throw, okay, or a free throw, right? Okay, so what is given here is that they have given for free throw the probability is 60%, right? So you can say here for 60% is given. So you, for this throw you will there is a probability of 0.6, 0.6, 0.6, you know, 0.6, 0.6, 0.6, and if that is not going to be a free throw means what? I mean that is not successfully a free throw means something which is not successful, so that is going to be 0.4, because total probability should be what? 0.4, right? So 0.4, 0.4, 0.4, 0.4, right? It's okay. Now you can write here, you can use this concept, guys, always. 0.6 is how many times here? You see that is 6 and into, okay? 0.4 is 4 times, okay, here. Now what you have to multiply here is that how many you see here attempts are there, 10 attempts, so you have to write 10 factorial upon, and you see how exact this question is asked for, exact, okay, exact, right? So how many free throws are there? You see there are 6, so you write 6 factorial, and how many this okay they are not free throws, right? Like b, there are 4, so you write 4, okay, 4 factorial. Now you solve this and you will get the answer, right? So 0.6, don't try by yourself, you can use online calculator. 0.4 to the power 4, and this is 10, 9 into 8 into 7 upon 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, right? I have just deleted this 6 factorial from okay, numerator and denominator, and this going to be 2, and this is 2 here, okay, and this will be 3. So you can see here this is basically uh, 210 into 0.6, okay, to the power 6, and 0.4 to the power 4, right? So what is the answer, guys? Can you check? So I believe you will get using online calculator around 0.2508. Okay. Yes. So we have already discussed, this kind of a problem in the classroom. So I believe you guys can quickly solve, right? So this was for 2 marks. Okay. So whenever this kind of a situation is given, right, like exactly 6, let me give you one example again so that you can formally become confident, right? So everyone understood option A is going to be correct. 0.2508. Everybody got the answer? Please confirm once. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. Yeah. So see, guys, let me explain here again. Suppose you have tossed the coin for 10 times. Okay, you have tossed the coin for 10 times, right? So you will be getting what? You will be getting head and tail, right? In each toss. Okay. So suppose you're getting exactly, exactly what? Exactly head. Okay, for getting exactly head, okay, how many times? You can say 6 times, and then remaining remaining chances what you will get here is the tail you will get 4 times, because total attempts are 10, right? So you can say head, okay, head is there, right, 6 times, and there is tail, right? So getting head means 0.5, okay, or you can say 1 by 2 is the probability, okay. So this is going to be 1 by 2 to the power 6, and then tail is 1 by 2 to the power 4. And now how many attempts are there? 10 attempts, okay. And now how many, like, you see h is 6 times, you have to write 6, and here, okay, so here you have to write the 4 factorial. So whenever this kind of question comes, you can solve like this. And one more concept, guys. Suppose they are asking exactly 6 in the 6 attempts, right? 6 attempts are there, right? 6 attempts. Okay. And 6 head you have to get, right? 6 head. So what is the probability here? 1 by 2 to the power 6. Okay. And then you don't have to worry about anything because 6 attempts are there and 6 heads are there. Just cancel. So answer will be 1 by 2 raised to power 6. Okay. Perfect, guys. So this option A is going to be correct for this question. Next. And this is usual model. Okay. Many, when we start number system, we always talk about unit digit concept, right? So the numeral in the unit position of 211 raised to power 870 plus 146 to the power 127 into 3 raised to power 434 424, right, is what? So you have to again answer this question. This is an 80, okay, and 2 mark. Yes, please try. I'm waiting for your answer, then I will give you the answer. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, you guys can give me the answer. Which option is going to be correct for this question? Not option. What will be the answer, right? So you have to understand, guys. Always see in this question. Always focus on last digit, right? So what is last digit here? One, right? And so if there is a one, anything to the power one, okay, anything to the power one is what? 211, right? So if you will multiply, and this is what the even number, right? So anything to the power even, right? Okay, that is going to be repeating here. So you will get what? And that too, you have to understand, or what you can do, you can divide also by 4. Okay, so you will get from here, okay, 1, right, in the unit position when you will take this, right? So last digit of 211, okay, raised to power 870 will be always 1, right? Okay, and you have to always focus if 1 is given, so anything to the power that number will be 1 always, right? Okay, now go to 146. Again you see 6 is written here, so anything to the power 6, right? I mean it's 6 to unit place, you see 6 is there, right? And that to the power 127, so you have to take 6 only because 6 to the power anything is 6 only, right? That you have to understand that or cyclicity concept we use always. Short video is saying 5, and Saurabh Kumar is saying unit place question mark. Okay, so unit place means you don't know what is the meaning of unit place. Unit digit, right? This, suppose this is the unit place, this is 10, this is 100, right? Okay, so this will give you 1 and this is going to be 6. Okay, now there is a multiplication, so you have to multiply here. Okay, so 3 raised to power 4 to 4. Okay, now you have to divide this by 4, right? You can divide this and you will get 1 only. Okay, the moment you check. Okay, so 4 to 4 you can divide, and so you will get 1 here, right? So you see here this is 1 plus 6, and I believe this 7 is the right answer, right? Okay, the power of what? 3 raised to power 4 to 4. Okay, you see this 4 to 4 is the multiple of 4, right? 4 to 4 is what? The multiple of 4, right? That you have to understand. So if anything to the power, okay, I mean this is multiple of 4, it means that the last digit of 3 raised to power 4 only you have to calculate, right? So what is last, or you can say unit place digit here? 3 into 3, or 3 into 3. Okay, so this is going to be what? 9 into 9 means 81, means 1 will be the unit place for this, right? So please keep in mind. Okay, so this is what the concept is, and the answer for this question is 7. So how many of you understood the answer is 7, guys? So Saurabh, you understood now? Answer will be 7. Okay. So now you check how many questions you guys have done correct, okay, during the entire session. Okay. Yes. So answer for this question is what? 7, right? So with this, we will wind up the session here, guys. And I think we have done from the past 5-year analysis, right? That for 216 and Saurabh Kumar, important sir, can give short trick. Yes, yes, sure, sure, Saurabh, right? So just yeah. So what you can do here is whenever this kind of number will be given, okay. So like I have told you, 3 to the power 4 to 4, right? So what you can do here is you can divide this 4 to 4 by 4. Okay, you will find that this is the multiple of 4, right? So you can directly write this is like 3 raised to power 4. Okay, and then if you know 3 raised to power 4, you will get always the unit digit 1, right? So you have to understand the power cycle. Okay, so whenever you are solving questions, you have to understand the power cycle. Sometimes we call it cyclicity as well, right? Cyclicity means what? Cyclicity. Okay, you have to understand cyclicity. Okay, so 1 raised to power anything is 1 only. Okay, that you have to understand. 2 raised to power 1 is 2, 2 raised to power 2 is 4, 2 raised to power 3. So you don't have to, you have to always, first of all, you should remember for 1, then 3, then 9, 7, all. Okay. So revise from the short notes, okay, and you will understand. Okay. So you guys can also send your question on our Telegram group, okay. So we have Telegram group for all the branches of engineering, right? So if you have any doubt, you can get in touch with us anytime, any work. We are here to support you and give you correct the method to solve question, right? So the moment you see the question, you should be able to attack, right? Okay, so with this, I would like to again recall you here that you guys can contact us on this number, as well as you can mail any query, okay, guys, and you can visit our website, okay, for upcoming sessions as well as any kind of study material, whatever information. And thank you so much for today, okay. We will meet in the future sessions, and best wishes for gate 2023, okay. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah.